This is HTML lesson number 54. I remember a time when computers were connected to dumb terminals. I also remember how the text on a dumb terminal actually looked. How would you like the text on your web page to look the same way as it did on the dumb terminals? Well, let me show you how to do that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Obviously, we need paragraph tags or none of our text is going to show up. Now then, what we're going to have here is some font tags. Okay. Now we're going to add a new tag. And the new tag is the KBD tag. And that stands for keyboard. Let's focus this right over here. Now let's type some text between the opening and closing KBD tags. Okay, here we go. Let's just type this too. Let me just include a couple more little tags. This came from the last lesson. If you will recall. Okay. All right. Now then, let's just take a look at this. We have the opening keyboard tag here, and it says, I program my computer with, and we left a space right here. And the reason we did that, and I didn't tell you that in the last lesson, but the reason we did that is that if you didn't leave a space right here, the C would start out with the H. In other words, the H and the C would actually appear together, and we don't want that. Okay? Now, if you really start having problems with that, you could type in the and no break space. You can do that too. Okay, and then we have the abbreviation tag, the title attribute, common business oriented language. Then, of course, we have the COBOL right here. We did not want to include the period with the COBOL because when we hover our cursor over the period, okay, if we hover our cursor over the period, it's going to make this common business oriented language appear. We don't want that. Okay, and then of course we have our keyboard ending tag, our font ending tag, our paragraph ending tag. There you go. Now then, you say, well, okay, what do we do next? We're going to save this as keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. I hope you know how to spell. Okay. Now we're going to open up the HTML student. We're going to find the keyboard. And that's how it would have appeared on your computer screen with the dumb terminals. And of course the acronym works as well. As you can see right there. The acronym still works. So, basically, you've changed the font on your web page. Ta-da! Alright. Another task completed successfully. Alright, I will tell you more in a future lesson, so I want you to stay tuned.